Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have look number 22 using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. This is the second look of 2023 and we're just going to keep trucking on with this eyeshadow palette. I've almost hit pan on a few of these eyeshadows, you guys. Can you believe that? That's not typical for me because eyeshadow is like my most favorite makeup item. But I love this palette and I hope that you guys will go and pick it up and try some of these looks out. To get started, I'm using the Sheglam eyeshadow primer. It's the gel one in the blue tube. Now the lighting is a little wonky in this video because the sun was coming in. I filmed a little bit earlier than I normally do in the day, and you know, it kind of, there's some really bright spots. But you can still see what I'm doing. I'm taking that matte nude brown shade that was in the first row, and it is a few shades darker than my skin tone, but I'm just using this for a transition shade, so any shade that you want to pick up that goes with your skin tone, definitely do. I'm picking up this slightly darker brown. It actually applies on the lid kind of like a chocolate coffee bean kind of brown. It is dark, it is matte. I'm taking this all on a fluffy crease brush as well. So I did the crease, I wiped my brush off, and now I'm applying this in the outer corner on the same brush but kind of on the side. That is an AOA Studio shadow switch. And now I'm going to blend everything together. It's another really awesome thing about this palette. Not only is it affordable, but the eyeshadows blend so nicely. The quality of these Wet n Wild eyeshadows are top notch. And this is a Maybelline Color Tattoo in VIP. I believe you can actually still get this one in store, but it is just one of their matte ones. It's like a creamy peachy beige shade. And I'm making a point this year to use a lot more of my Maybelline Color Tattoos, even though a lot of them are discontinued and you can't find them anymore. I just love them so very much. But in the first shade here, there's this like pale yellowy kind of shade, and I'm going to be taking that and pressing that onto the color tattoo. And I just kind of wanted a little bit of a secondary base here, mainly because these are lighter shades, and I've tried about 2 or 3 other renditions of this look, and that shade always wanted to come out kind of patchy on the lid. But I love it for brow bone and stuff, which I'm going to use it for my brow bone here too, but it just didn't work out without a secondary base. So that's why I chose to do that. You're going to see a bunch of blending. Once again, I'm taking that pale yellowy shade for my brow bone, and this is on a large shader brush, and I'm just going to pat it under the brow and then slowly start working, blending it down into the crease. Once that's done, I'm wiping away my fallout, and I'm going to be taking that chocolatey brown and the first lighter brown that we used in the crease on the lower lash line. And once I have that done and blent out, I'm going to smoke it out a little bit. Not much, I still want this to be natural. The icy white shade in the palette is the second row. I'm going to be taking that in my inner corner just to help further open the eyes and appear awake. And this is a metallic brown eyeliner pen from Believe Beauty, and I'm just doing a thin line of eyeliner. This white eyeliner is from HardCandy, and it's an off-white eyeliner, so it's not stark white, and it's perfect for opening up the eyes. And this is the Wet n Wild Breakup eyeliner I'm using to tightline with, and HardCandy's volumizing primer and mascara. These are in my project pan, so we're going to be seeing a lot more of these until they are gone. And I just adore the packaging. I'm probably going to vault the packaging. But that's the finished eyes. And for lips, I'm using the Nude Cherie Nude Lipstick. And I love this thing. It's also in Project Pan. But that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll try the look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. And thank you so much for watching.